Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. Day after day, I'm more confused. So I look for the light in the pouring rain.
People ask us, what are we still doing in Porto Santo? On such a small island, isn't it boring? We enjoy life, helping other people and trying to make every day a picnic.
Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.
We have a barbecue with a group of mostly younger sailors from several different countries. It was great, with a lot of music and dancing until late into the night. Music made with a guitar, melodica, castillette, and a banana box. We are helping other sailors with hauling out. An extra hand is always welcome. Sometimes, using our dinghy Hermann, we play the part of the missing bow thruster or propeller. Other times, we help people who are going back in the water. This is Puce from Tommy and Camilla from Vikings Going South. They came to Porto Santo to wait for a new propeller. With some delivery problems, they stayed for almost 2 months. During that time, they became dear friends. When they left for the Canaries, we had a great farewell party.
Het is heel vervelend op Porto Santo, want wij hebben allemaal rood. Our hair is dead, but her hair is soft.
It's so soft. So soft hair.
Oh,
How is your
she
hair?
has so soft hair.
And it never rains in Porto Santo.
Soft hair.
Where are you?
I don't know.
Hi. Again, sunny day. Our Swedish friends are leaving us today.
Have this.
Okay. Out of bed. That's a good start.
Yeah, until the next time. You've changed from Vikings standing still back to Vikings going south. Bon voyage.
See you later.
Until the next time.
Bye, Swedish.
One more hair flip. Yeah.
Hey, bye-bye.
Bye.
Sometimes we are playing games. And of course, we had a lot of welcome and farewell parties.
Oké, zo'n goede DJ. Blijf bewegen. Ik doe wat anders. Blijf bewegen. Rustig. Dit is yoga. Dit is een chakram yoga.
Occasionally, we have great nights at the bar, and it becomes a big party. The whole marina couldn't sleep until late that night.
Komt allemaal op YouTube, hè?
It's gonna start raining, man. It never rains at Porto Santo.
Never.
It's raining, man. Absolutely soaking wet.
It's
Raining, man.
Ja, ik mis de drank.
Ik ook een beetje.
Een beetje moeilijk zonder drank, hè? Ik vind het wel leuk, maar dan moeten er wel volle glazen van.
But you never walk
Voer je face ID.
Face ID.
Face ID. Oh, yeah.
We've got a thing that's called
Maar die zit gewoon in de safe zone.
Next time.
Alles voor huis lief. Oh, wat heb je gedaan? Het is thuis. Go thuis. Ga je naar huis?
Another visiting yacht gave yoga lesson on the beach when the sun was going down. We did our best, but we are not so good at this as you can see. We are not so stable in the sand, and even the wind was trying to knock us over. We have a Dutch DJ in the harbor, and he arranged a support act in a small beach bar behind the harbor.
toch weer. Hey, a penis. Are you coming back here?
Penis. Happy penis.
A penis.
Happy penis.
Happy.
I'm your penis. I'm your fire. Enjoy the fire.
There goes a penis. A penis. Bye bye, till the next time.
Also, happiness is leaving us. A few days later, Tiki Mas is leaving. Sometimes we have a lot of fun with the Cruiser family kids.
Whoa!
Iedereen heeft de honderd vragen.
Wah, 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 wah. Okay, let's do this.
Michael's ready for voiceovers.